In the name of Allah, the most merciful, the most beneficent, the omnipotent. Lecture 1, English for Class 8, from New Oxford Modern English. This is Introduction to the Comprehension from Unit Number 1. The topic is A Shot in the Dark. Dear students, in the story A Shot in the Dark, Philip Slatherby travelled by train towards Brill Manor. His intention of travelling is in order to get a seat in the Parliament re-election. He relied on one lady named Salt Penjago, a sort of influential lady. His companion in the train introduced himself as Bertie. He was the second son of Salt Penjago. He was searching for something frantically, but he could not find out the thing he sought. He had left his purse behind after sealing an envelope with the crest on the purse. He stated that it was the Jago crest. He further added that his mother's hair was dark brown, similar to his. He explained that the salt pen crest was that of a demi-lion. Slatherby pointed out to him that his mother's letter had a greyhound corrend crest. Bertie needed £3 desperately and asked Slatherby to lend it to him. But Slatherby was under the suspicion of foul play. He was not ready to give money since he knew Mrs. Salpenjago was a blonde. Slatherby was received by Claude People Casey at the platform. Slatherby came to know that Bertie's mother Jago had changed her dark brown hair to a blonde just 5 weeks ago. Now, only Slatherby could realize that Bertie had not lied to him. He realized that he had mistaken him for a fraud. Dear students, this is the end of lecture 1. I hope you would have enjoyed it. Now wait till the next lecture. We'll see each other again. Thank you.